full wrap in CheetahWrap Satin Gray Aluminum. There's a bunch of damage on the front end. Did some light sanding, you can't even see it. Right there. This color hides any imperfections very nicely. We did some light sanding on the hood as well. There's a lot of imperfections on the vehicle, so we did a lot of sanding in general. This color looks really good when the light hits it. We did a full chrome delete in CheetahWrap Gloss Black. Right here there was a bunch of damage and discoloration, you can't see any of it.